What a fine day everybody, isn't it? To watch a tutorial video and welcome back to our channel App Tutorial to all the new viewers and to all the old viewers as well. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can register into Netspend account. In another word, how you guys can create a Netspend account. Follow the step which I'm going to be showing you to register into your Netspend account. But before that, for those people who do not know Netspend is a prepaid card preparing company. So if you guys have used, gift card like Amazon and other stuff, it's similar to that, but in this case, it's made by Netspend, alright? So with that said, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And let's move on with the video, shall we? So the first step is search for a registered Netspend account and click on the first link over here. And it's gonna take you to the official website of Netspend. And once you're over here, click on where it says Netspend over here, or it's going to show its logo. Just click on it and it's going to take you to this page. Once you're over here, enter your first name over here and then enter your last name over here like this. And then enter an email address which you want to link to your Netspend account over here just like this. And then click on continue and it's going to take you to the next step. And over here, it's going to ask you to buy a Netspend card. Now remember, to create a Netspend account, you need to buy a Netspend card first. So if you don't want to buy a Netspend card, you can't register into Netspend. So choose the card which you want to buy and choose the type of deposit you want to make and then click on get card. After you do that, it's going to order your card and your account will be created as well. So yeah, that's how you guys can register for Netspend. So hope you guys were able to understand. And yeah, you should also enter your zip code and a street address over here, alright? So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and bye bye everybody.